Yo, what's up, everyone? So, 7 people watching. Wow, what's up, everyone? It's good. Oh, what's echo? 1 second, guys. Hmm, 1 second, let me check. Yeah, let's get started. So, yeah, this was like one of the biggest daily volume in the last 6 months, 7 months, or what, in a year? Let's check it. Oh, yeah, 904 days. Wow. But the thing is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you think is the bottom in? Come on, guys, let me know. Can you guys hear me? Sideways. Yeah, but do you think the bottom is in? That's the question, bro. Personally, I don't think the bottom is in. I think we go much lower again. Yeah, just let's start breaking it down. Yeah, this move was inevitable. Like I already told you that shorting here doesn't make sense, because the thing was DXY was making a good rally. ES was literally bottomed. We had a divergence on ES as well. So this move was imminent. Ethereum was pumping like crazy. If you see, once. Okay. So from this period of 27th August, yeah, yeah, 28th August to 7th or 8th September, whatever it is, before the last dump, 6th September. Yeah, so Ethereum was moving, but BTC, it was just a sideways movement. Like it didn't pump. It was like Ethereum was carrying the whole market, which is obvious because ETH BTC pair was gaining traction. So the BTC pump was inevitable, but the question was when. So yeah, so as soon as we tagged this 18.6 area, we just smashed above. And this is a one fucking daily candle, like 10% candle. Like it's been a long time we have seen that. When was the last time we saw such a big candle? 10%. Yeah, it was in 28th Feb. Yeah. But still, the reason why I'm not bullish yet, short term, yes, but macro, I don't think the bottom is in. The reason is simple. Oh, what was the line? 1 second. This is not. Yeah, check it. Check this line. Check this trend line, guys. Yeah, we can tag the 23k area, still do something like this, get back under, this will be a short entry, and take out the 17.5k area. 17.5k also happens to be the equal lows. So I still wouldn't like put all my money in for long term. Short term, yes, you can get a push up to 23k. It's quite possible, but still it's level by level. So this is what I'm eyeing right now. I wouldn't be bullish unless we close above 28k, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, you see this area. Unless we close about 28,850, so approx 29k. So unless we close about 29k, this can just be a bearish retest. I mean, look at this as a 5-minute chart. Price rallied up. Okay, we stayed up. Okay, so if this was a 5-minute chart, would you enter here? For a short term, maybe yes. If you want to scalp it till this SR level, you might have entered. But for a long term perspective, would you enter? No. So unless we flip this area, this SR level, I'm not bullish. So it's the same thing. So this might be a bearish retest only if we get it. I'm not sure about it right now. Till then I'm bearish. Yeah, if we flip above and hold, then I can start adding to my spot bags. I'll just start adding BTC here around 29k, and I'll just play it till this area 45k, and that's fine. That's fine with me. So this whole thing might be a deviation, but only if we get a confirmation. Unless we flip, there is no reason to be bullish. And if we get rejected, it's a clean bearish retest. It will just fuel the price to go even much more lower, around 16k, 12k. 12k is quite possible if this scenario plays out. Like, I'm not sure if we go to 28k right now, maybe a month, I'm not sure. Let's see. But remember, guys, if you see the price around 28k, don't get bullish. Please don't get bullish. Just remember, we are still rejecting the SR level. It's just a bearish retest unless we flip it. Yeah, you will get a chance. Don't worry. If you want, you can scalp it. Obviously, you can scalp it. So another question remains, where do you buy for scalping? This is like too much. Yeah. Yeah. So this was the range. I was expecting a retest around a 2700. Keep up this. Yeah, bro. Thank you. Yeah, so 20.7k was one of the SR levels I was eyeing for a retest, but I don't think we got a good retest. Like, it was just a rally. A retest, like if the price keeps going up, you can't call this as a retest. This is not a retest. A retest is something like this. Okay, so if suppose the price comes down to 20.7 area and it holds, that's a long signal. But the thing is, I'm not sure whether we hold at 20.7 or we come down all the way to 20k. Many of us were expecting the retest of 19.5k, including me. I didn't catch this long. I sold my position somewhere around 19.3 in a hope that if we break out 19.5 we will get a retest. But look what happened. It was like a one big fucking hourly candle. It's like what, 5%, 3% candle. That's it. Yeah, and it was like early morning, I guess. Yeah, it was 7 a.m. I was sleeping, so I missed the whole move, and that's fine. So now the question remains. There are two possibilities right now, maybe three. Sorry. So these are the levels. Currently we are in this range of 20.7 to 21.8. The reason, these are the highs and these are the lows. This is the support. The question remains whether we come down to 20.7k or we take out 21.8k or 22k approximate before doing this, or we do this. Like, I have no idea. So this is currently a no trade zone for me. I'll just wait. So these are the two scenarios I'm eyeing right now on BTC. I mean, there is no sense rushing right now. You just need to wait. Price can do anything. Yeah, and if suppose we break out of 21.8 area and we hold above, the next target will be 22.8 and even 23. This is a daily FVG gap, 23k. This is possible, but right now I don't know where we are going. Short term, yes, I am bullish because this daily candle with this volume is no joke. Where this takes us, I have no idea. Whether 23k, 25k, 28k, I have no idea. But unless we flip 28, 29k, there is no sense being bullish long term. This can just be a bear market rally. The prices can go up more than you think. So don't try to catch the bottom. Don't try to short the top. Just wait for confirmation. That's it. Yeah. And if suppose, and just like me, many people are waiting for 20.7k because this seems very logical area to long. See. So we might get a deeper pullback to 20k area. There are many confluence here. We have the Monday highs, we have the weekly open, and we have the monthly open as well. Plus the 20k area also happens to be the 2018 to 2017 highs, the last cycle highs. So yeah, there are many confluence here. So what we can do here is we can just have a deeper pullback, hold above monthly open. This can be a long. Target 1. Okay, I don't know whether this will be a bearish retest or it's just a fake out to trap the bears. But with the current situation, I think this might be a fake out. If we get this deep pullback, it's going to be a fake out. Flip this, take out the highs of 22k, hold here and smash above to till 23k. Like, this can be the play. So you have 3 targets if we get a pullback to 20k. This will be your target 1, 2700, 22k, TP2, 22,800 to 23k, like this area. This area can be your target 3. So this is what I'm expecting to play. But let's see where the price takes us. Whether it's a 20.7k retest or 20k retest. We'll wait and watch. Till then, nothing I can do right now. It's as simple as that. And remember the macro, guys. Macro, I don't think like there is no sense buying here. Short term, yes, definitely you can buy scalps and all. So if suppose we get a pullback to 20k and you want to just buy your spot bags, you can just get a good 10% move. Obviously you can get a 10% move. That's good. Alts, I'm not sure, because dominance is like bottomed. I did talk about this. Like dominance is bottomed. You don't want to be in alts. You see, we took out these lows and these lows. Look at this weekly candle. The minimum target is 43%, and if things get worse, 47-48%. We might even take out these highs. So yeah, 50% is quite possible. You don't want to be holding alts when the dominance is going up, because when dominance goes up, obviously the money is getting into BTC. Alts will just move sideways unless BTC is stopped or unless dominance is stopped. So keep this in mind, guys. Right now the play is just BTC, not Ethereum, not alts. Some alts maybe, but I'm not sure about alts. Your focus should be BTC right now. We might do something like this. So once we start breaking down, that is the time when you enter alts. Yeah, alts can move like 10-20% till then, but that's, it's very risky to buy, because we don't know like how up BTC goes. I talked about this like a week or 2 weeks ago, that once BTC starts pumping, alts and everything will move sideways. Ethereum was only pumping because of the merge narrative. That's it. So you don't want to be overexposed to alts. Maybe 30-40% of your portfolio is fine. Keep some stables, because any pullback on BTC. So the thing is, I'll tell you, when dominance increases, BTC increases, alts go sideways. Okay, I'll just show you the chart once. Yeah, look at this. It makes sense. Alts don't decrease, but they move sideways. And if suppose BTC dominance is increasing, and I think we are going to see an increase in BTC dominance, that's for sure. And if suppose we get a retrace on BTC right now, alts are going to dump, they are going to decrease very fast, as mentioned. So if suppose BTC like goes down like 2-3%, alts are going to take a hit like 5-7%. I have no idea. That can happen. So just focus on BTC right now. So what do you want to see? If you want to play alts, you want to see once again. Yeah. So if suppose dominance takes out these highs, and wherever the BTC price is around 26k, 28k, 25k, 23k, I have no idea. Okay. So you want to see a rejection around 49-50%, and you want to see BTC to go sideways. You want to see something like this on BTC. So when this happens, the money is going to flow in alts. Alts are going to pump like crazy. They might just give like 30-40% a day, and ignore the Luna and everything. Like it's not worth buying them. I would rather miss it than FOMO. So that's it for BTC. Dollar index. So this looks like a retest. The 4 hour, I did share a chart about us getting a retest in this area when the price was around 1110. It came down, we saw a reaction, but now I want to see the price get back above 109.3. Like any rejection here in this area it's a confirmed bull market, short term bull market for BTC and crypto. So if suppose we reject here, we take out these lows. We might come to this area of 106.5. You might test this accumulation zone. So you don't want to see any rejection here if you're bearish on crypto, but if you're bullish on crypto for short term, you want to see rejection here. This is quite possible. So let's see what Monday brings. But I think like weekend we get to see a pump on crypto as stocks are closed, and ES had a good rally. That was a good daily close on ES. We hit our target one. I'll get back to ES. Give me 5 minutes. So on the daily, if you see this block, this is just a retest. I was talking with Deng on the last stream. Or it was personally, I have no idea. But yeah, this is a cup and handle. One second, let me just clear the mess. Yeah, so this is the daily block. What if this is just a retest? I have no idea. We'll have to see. We have to wait for a few more days. On the 4 hour, what it looks like, this is a cup, this is a handle, this is accumulation just under the resistance, breakout, retest. Instead of just going up from this area SR level, we just had a deeper pullback to this accumulation zone. So if it holds and if we manage to get above 109.3, it's over. The crypto run is over in my opinion. We are going to see some massive pullback. The minimum target I would expect is 111 because it has been like my resistance for a long time now. But if you go with the theory, the cup and handle targets, so from the bottom to the neckline, the targets should be around 114. So if this happens, we are going to get a massive pullback again. But I don't know, it might take days, it might take weeks. Till then even BTC might pump like 20, 23, 24k. I have no idea. We'll have to wait and watch about this scenario. This is what I'm eyeing on DXY as well. 19.6 or 20.3k after breakout. Bro, I explained it already. Just rewind back. I already explained it. There is a possibility we might go to 20k. 19.6, I have no idea. But yeah. So I'll just give a quick recap. 20.7k is the first support I'll be eyeing. The second is 20k, not 19.6k. I have no idea about 19.6k, but definitely I'm eyeing 20k. The thing is, because this was this consolidation zone, I was expecting a breakout, we got a breakdown, that's fine. So this area is not tested, plus all these big candles leaves a lot of liquidity here, a lot of gap, inefficiency. Yeah, these voids need to get filled. So how deeper the pullback is, I have no idea. Thank you bro. Ofana, thank you bro. Really appreciate you being here. Yeah, so if you just take the fibs from the recent lows to, if suppose 21.7k is the recent high, yeah, that's fine. Fire Spirit, welcome to the show. So if suppose we get a pullback, the least I expect is the 0.5 to be tested, and It's a nice confluence to 20k area. We have the weekly open, we have the monthly open, we have the Monday highs. 20k also happens to be the last bull cycle's all-time high. So the confluence is there. But the question is, when we get a pullback, will it hold? If not, this will be a big fucking fake out. People are going to die if this is a fake out. Bro, there will be around like 1 billion liquidations. I have no idea. But yeah, I don't expect this to be a fake out after this big volume. So yeah, let's see, 20.7k or 20k, or rather we just flip 22k. I have no idea. We'll just wait and watch. So yeah, that's for, I've covered DXY and BTC. You can just rewind after the video. Let's move forward. So yeah, ES. We did talk about this sweep. We went a bit more deeper rather than just taking out this area and just move up. That's fine. This also helped to form the 4-hour bullish divergence, which just fueled the move up. So this was our TP1, 39 approx 4,000, and 4,085 was our TP2. The reason is this was the SR level. So now the thing is whether we get a pullback, because this is a clean SR level here. This is a clean SR level, plus we have left a gap. So I don't know if what is this with the gap, but it tends to get filled. Let's see, like I'm not sure, but if suppose we get a pullback, this can be a deviation. We might just do something like this. If we break down under 4084, I'm definitely eyeing the 4,000 areas to be tested, and I expect it to hold. Once we hold here, I'm expecting around 4175, 4180. Might even just push till 42. We'll have to wait and see. So this is the play right now for ES. Short term, I guess it's local top for ES. We get a pullback to 4,000 areas. The whole crypto market goes down with it as well. It's a 2-3% dump. Yeah, nearly to 1.7. Yeah, so expect BTC to go around like 3%. Yeah, 3%. If suppose this is the top, and for the weekend, if you just range here while pumping alts, not all alts, few alts. I have no idea which one. It's quite possible we get a retest till 20.7, or if things get worse, 20k. When Lambo? No Lambo, bro. I just walk around. No Lambo. So this is the scenario for ES. We'll have to wait and see what Monday brings. Monday, Tuesday, we need to look at. And even we have got the Fed meetings, FOMC and whatnot. So yeah, next week is going to be crucial. Let's see. Because dollar, I'm expecting at least 111 to be tagged. Like you just cannot leave this area. We need to tag it. At least retest. We need to see whether it holds or not. At least just a tap and dump. That's fine with me. But do retest it. That's what I'm expecting. We can even go lower after that. Like we can do something like this. Yeah, it's possible. It's quite possible. You can't deny the probability. Like this is the range. Okay. We haven't been in this range for a while. Only this one rally. That's it. We might come down to 105, 106. So if suppose if suppose next week after the meeting or whatever it is, we decide to tag 111 from 108.9. Yeah, 108.9. Sorry. So we can just do something like this. It's quite possible. And this rejection will be your buy signal for crypto. Markets will have a good pullback. So yeah, personally I'm eyeing this scenario, just a pullback to 106, whatever the mid range of this area is. If we lose it, maybe just retest 104. It's quite possible. It's quite possible we do something like this. Like these are the two scenarios I'm eyeing. I'm definitely expecting a pullback now because I can see the weakness, plus people are entering in crypto like nuts. The volume yesterday was very good. So let's see, a rejection around 111.3 can lead us to 106 or 104, 103.5. Yeah, so let's see. Like if you see this area 103.5, it has just been tested once. It's not even tested, it's just front run of this SR level. So yeah, testing this support makes sense, but only if we get back under the range. Till then I wouldn't recommend shorting dollar, no ways. So yeah, just let's see. Let's go to ETH BTC now. Yeah, this is fucked, man. This is officially fucked. It's over. So we had two scenarios here, whether we get a rejection from here or we get a rejection of this area, 0.086. Yeah, we were just shy of this area. Like what was the difference? Very less. Yeah, negligible. That's fine. So yeah, this was the area marked. I mean, that's cool if we didn't get the retest. So the thing is, we are back in the range. We are back in this range. And this is officially done. ETH BTC is done. Like the merge hype, it's over now. You don't want to long Ethereum here. Definitely not. Yeah, the only way Ethereum can go up in USD price is just because of BTC. That's it. ETH BTC is done, officially done. Like I have no reason to long this. Like this is a breakout. Get back under the range highs. Get a retest. Boom. The minimum target would be the sweep of this area. 72.072. The least I'm expecting is 0.057. This whole area. This hasn't been tested after the breakout. You see, it leaves a lot of inefficiency. So if suppose we break 0.072, it's done. Like it's going to just go down. It's going to be a free fall. Take out all these liquidations. This week, it's over. Fill out this gap. Maybe test the range lows, where this whole area, the price consolidated for a while before the move up. Yeah, that's it. That's for ETH BTC. There is nothing more I can talk about this. It's quite clear. Like ETH BTC is done. You don't want to be holding spot alts for a long time. Yeah, look how fucked this looks. You see, took out the highs, got an SFP. We have got 10 minutes. It's fucked. It's fucked, man. Solana, bro. Solana. Yeah, bro. Solana. Yeah, I'll just get on to Solana. But the thing is, my long-term buys are around $15 or $16. I'm not moving those buy orders. It will be there. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, so let's see where we get the pullback on BTC now. So let's get to ETH USDT. Yeah, this obviously looks fucked, man. Look at this. A pullback to at least these areas. Maybe this area. Like, I have no idea. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, this we took out the highs, and now just we are dumping. That's it. Ethereum is done. Like, I don't want to long this shithole at all. I'll just break down. Give me 1 second, guys. Yeah. So these were the highs that was capping the market. This area. What a deviation. Okay. We tried breaking above many times. Like, look at this. But we just failed. Like, there is no strength. So the scenario here was, if suppose we hold above this area, the next target would have been 1765, and if we clear 1765, this was the inefficiency. Like, it was, sorry. So this was the whole gap. The air was clear until 1800s, but we didn't even manage to close above 1720. It's very weak rally. This might do something like this. Yeah, it can do something like this. I have no idea. We'll see. We'll look at that. Yeah. Like, any retest in this region could trigger a short. Like, this can be a short. And don't short it, guys. Don't short it. Yeah. Minimum target. Why? Take out this liquidity, this wick, one by one. It's going to stop everyone out. Yeah. So the minimum target is 1684, but in case if BTC decides to get a deeper pullback around 20k, I expect Ethereum to tag at least 1570s. Why? It's simple. This consolidation zone, after a breakout from here, the price went sideways. We never tested this area, first of all. So the minimum logic would be come around 1630s, and if suppose things get worse, we are expecting this breakout candle to be filled. All this inefficiency under 1600, 1594. This needs to be get tested. This area needs to be get tested. So let's see. Like, this is the minimum I would expect if BTC starts breaking down, which it seems like 4 hour. I have no trust in this 4 hour candle anymore. Sorry to say that. Yeah, I may be wrong. I'm not sure, but this officially looks fucked now. We took out the highs, we ran the highs, just went back. We couldn't even manage to close above the previous open or close, whatever it is. Like, it's officially fucked. Yeah, but it was simple, guys. Like, if you didn't long here, who the fuck longs here, man? You just can't. You either FOMO or you are stupid enough. I have no other option to say that. So that's the thing. You just wait for a pullback. I definitely think, like, we are in a short-term bull market for sure. So you guys don't need to FOMO right now. Alts will pump whether Ethereum pumps or not. If BTC starts pumping after the retrace, alts are going to go crazy. Yeah, I'll just head to alts now. Like this is it for Ethereum. So any pullback here would trigger a short. Let's say I'm not sure, we can just jump from here as well. We can do like this. Depends on BTC, man. Like Ethereum leading the market, it's done. That phase has gone. So let's see what happens. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Yeah, so that is for Ethereum. 1731. Wait for that. Yeah, so let's jump onto some alts. Like this is Link. I have Link, Doge, Matic, Solana, and PYR. Let's see. We'll talk about these alts. So we saw a good breakout here on Link. I was unable to catch the play. This area was capping the market. Consolidation for a while. 444, like 8-9 hours. Smash above. Took out this area. That's fine. Rejection. So now the question is, if we come down to this area, whether it holds or not. Like a normal technical analysis says that we are going to hold this support. We had a good volume. The volume was building up. The price is coming down. The volume is decreasing. It means that sellers are less interested in selling. This is like people are taking just profits. That's it. Nothing else. So if suppose we come down to this area and if we hold, this is your buy. We are buying till at least 8.3. This area needs to be capped. So this is the first alt I'm eyeing right now to buy. You see, this was the consolidation zone on the 4 hour. Needs to be tested. Let's see if the price holds. I have no idea. It's a 3% dump, but if BTC just pukes, it's going to go more down. It also happens to be the Monday highs. You see, we might even tag the Monday mid. If things get worse, tag Monday mid. Tag Monday mid. Hold above, get back above Monday highs, get back above this SR level, and just pump. Like this is quite a possibility. So we need to wait and watch about the Link situation as well. But I'm definitely adding Link to my short-term play. Like this is a good 10% play, I guess. Yeah, that's good. Take out these highs, fill this inefficiency. That's it. Long term, macro. Yeah, macro, I still think it's fucked, man. I still think it's fucked. Like this can be a range bound. This can be accumulation for a larger cycle. But no, I'm not convinced. Why? Because I have marked my Link. Yeah, look at this. This can be the power of 3. Accumulation, get back under this range lows, give us the manipulation here, which also happens to be the SR level before the breakout. You see the consolidation here, the deviation, resistance, deviation, resistance, breakout, fake out, consolidation, pump. Like this area needs to be tested. You see, this area needs to be tested. So let's see. Like this is my macro, and here lies the weekly FPG above these highs. These highs needs to be taken out. That will be very quick. But the question remains whether we do this or we do this, or we just come back down here. So that I'm not sure about. Like, I don't have any whale friends. So let's see. But anywhere above 4.5, yeah, 4.5 to 5.6. It's, if you are a fan of this project or you want to buy, you can buy around this area. Like this can do something like this. Once we are above 9.3, this whole thing will look like shit in few weeks. So that's the thing. You don't want to buy 9.3, you want to buy 4.5, you want to buy $5. It's as simple as that. When the price is above the range highs, you are nearly 2x up. So yeah, buy the fear. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO, guys. Let's see. This is my Chainlink macro. I'm not going to buy Link because I'm more interested in Solana, Matic and Doge, or maybe Ethereum. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so I'll just move on to Solana now. Again, short term, I have no idea whether how up we go. We might take out these highs if things get ultra bullish for short term. If BTC starts going up like crazy, we are going to see this 50-80% rally, take out the highs, get back under this weekly range. I'll just switch to weekly. 1 second, guys. Yeah, ignore these lines. Okay, ignore these lines. Fuck, we don't need to scalp it. I personally don't want to scalp it. So this is my weekly range. The lows, the highs, deviation, breakout, the rest is history. Yeah, so we got back under this range. We had double retest, multiple retest. So now the question remains whether we have a third tap, have a breakout and get back under, the whole thing becomes a deviation, the fake out, whatever it is, and just go down to around $15, $12, whatever it is, whatever the target is. So the situation will be deviation above the highs, get back under, deviation under the lows, get back in the range, maybe play the range, maybe just hold it for the next bull cycle. So this is my plan for Solana. Like, I have separate funds which I have already placed a buy order around $15. I'm not going to remove that buy order whether we get it or not. I'm ready to wait for like 6 months, 8 months. I have no fucking problem. I'll just carry on with what I'm doing. Yeah, I know, like many people might ask, like, why you don't want to play this range. The thing is simple. Okay, I can buy $20 as well. You can place your buy orders as well. But the thing is, look at the spikes. Not this, please, not this, sorry. Like, there are people who are still holding the Solana from this area. Okay. There might be some people who are already long, like for a year or two. The stop losses are around here. If they are fool enough, they didn't took profit on 250 and they're just holding it all the way down. So if suppose we get back get under this area, it's going to trigger many stop loss, and we are just going to head back in this consolidation zone. This was the consolidation before the price shot up. We never came back, we never tested this area. So from 11.5 is just, yeah, so just take $11 from 11 to 18. This is whole empty area. This, we haven't tested this area, so anywhere between this is going to be an excellent buy for the next bull run. Yeah, the price, yeah, look guys, the thing is price can even take out these lows 11.4, but I wouldn't care. If I'm buying at $15, I wouldn't care what the price is doing short term. It's simple. I'll just buy and I'll just leave the bag. It's as simple as that. So these are my views on Solana for long term. The minimum target I would expect is 250. It's natural. So yeah, again, the thing is, we can do the power of 3 year. This can be an accumulation. This red box can be a manipulation. And then, I don't know how long the expansion goes. This will be the next bull cycle. Let's see. So it's just the game of the patience right now. You don't need to trade every day. Like, people tend to forget. You just need to be patient, buy and forget for the next cycle. 1 or 2 bull cycles are enough to make you good money. I'm not saying enough money to retire, but at least good money so that you can change your lifestyle. At least live a better lifestyle. Not change, but at least live a better one. So yeah. And if you take the fibs from the highs to the lows, if suppose $13, if 11.6, 11.5 is the lows, the minimum targets would be 413, sorry, the 1.618 extension. So yeah, anywhere in the red box is a buy signal for me. I'm definitely going to buy and forget about it. And once we get back above 47, this whole area becomes a new range. And I'm definitely not interested to play it level by level. If I'm buying in the red box, definitely I'm not going to play this level by level. I'll just leave it because I know whether it be a year or 2, Solana is going to tag all-time high. Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely buying a good chunk of Solana. I don't want to miss it. I missed the last rally around $3. Many reasons. I was not matured enough to understand what the project does. Didn't had enough capital. That's fine. Got a second opportunity right now. I'm not going to miss it. So if suppose, I'll just show you one calculation. If suppose Solana goes to 15, maybe 10, but your buys are around 15 and you sell anywhere around maybe 300, yeah, that is your 1900%. So I don't know how much your portfolio is worth. So if suppose you put in $1,000, you already have $20,000. What you did, you just bought and you forgot about selling it. Simple as that. Like, this is the play. Like, you don't want to miss such plays, man. And definitely you don't want to. Then you just put a fucking $1,000 and they're $20,000. Yeah, just take a look, man. Simple. But the thing is, do you have the patience to wait? Like, ignore the short term noise. Like, everyone is saying, wow, we are so bullish. On the 3 days or the weekly, this looks nothing. Yeah, but this is a 10% move. But on the weekly, it looks shit. If you zoom out, this is nothing, bro. Like, what the bulls are celebrating right now is from 88% drawdown, you are celebrating a 10% move. How stupid can you be? Grow up, guys, grow up. So again, the thing remains the same. Like, you need to wait. Unless you are scalping, it's fine. I don't have anything against scalpers. If you can do it, it's very good. But yeah. That is the play for me on Solana long term. Doge. Yeah, you just can't ignore Doge, man. You have to buy at least like 10-20% of your portfolio. Take this as a financial advice, guys. Definitely Doge. Doge is going to again outperform many alts. Like it's the same story every cycle. You see. So what I'm expecting here is at least take out these lows of 0.04 and at least tag this area, this huge candle, this spike. I want this to be tested. Okay. Worst case scenario, we tag this accumulation zone. I'll just show you on the daily. Worst case, but I don't think we go this low unless Elon Musk sells his Doge. Then there's a possibility that we test this area. But if it doesn't, maybe just take out these lows. I even set my alarm here. So any sweep under 0.04 is a good buy for long term. The reason, if suppose we do something like this red zone will be my buy area. I will start adding around a 0.03. Yeah, and I'll just forget about it for the next cycle. Like this scenario looks very likely to me because everyone bought here, few people bought here, many bought this sweep. Just take everyone out one last fucking day and just full send it. Like you don't want to eye $1. Forget the targets, $1 and all. The least I expect is this range high. Oh fuck, this looks very bad. Yeah. So if suppose you get anywhere around the 0.03 area, this is like a 1400%. This is the minimum target I'm talking about, guys. Minimum target. Yeah, we might actually just make a new all-time high. I have no idea. There's a quite possibility we get a new all-time high, $1.5, $2. I have no idea. But the minimum target would be 0.05. Take out these highs, tag this resistance again, come back. Look guys, this can be a possibility. I'll just show you 1 second. So yeah. This can be a good rally. Rejection here. Get back above and full send. This can be quite a possibility here. So the thing is, this is the SR level. We are going to smash above. Might face some resistance here. That's fine. But once we smash above, we are going to test 0.45 area and then come back in this region, test again, hold it, and then full send. It's over. Doge. Like this is quite a possibility. Just remember, guys. Yeah, that's it for Doge. Yeah, have you guys got any other requests? Let me know. That's it. Okay guys, see you soon guys. Let's see, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll just stream again. Thanks for joining in. Do leave a like, subscribe if you found this stream helpful. Yeah, see you.